Next point of the periodic functions. The first point, see, I'll make you understand. All constant functions are periodic functions with no fundamental period. Means here, constant function is there. We cannot say the period is 1 or 2, 3, 4. Like it can be repeat anywhere. Na? See, constant function means y is equal to 2. It is a constant function. Y is equal to anything like constant, like y is equal to 4, 5, anything, this is a constant function. So I cannot say it is repeating after this. There is no fundamental means I can take half also, I can take even 0 point, anything I can take. Na? Even I can take 1, even I can take 2, anywhere it will be repeat. So constant functions are periodic functions but with no fundamental. Are you getting what I said? See, if I break here, I can break that part everywhere I can keep. I can break more distance. Even that repeats. But I cannot say it is 0.1 or 0.2, I like that I can't say. So that thing's called as no fundamental period. Next one, sine power nx, cos power nx, cosec power nx, sec power nx, power when you have. Then will be having period. These all functions will have period pi if n is even. Period is 2 pi if n is odd. Understood? No? For example, sine cube x, 2 power 20, any power is odd is there, I can say the period is 2 pi. If the power is even, like I can write even sine power 2020. What is the period of sine power 2020? Pi is the period. Okay, understood? Right, note down. See, these second points are tan and cot. So I wrote previously 4 trigonometry, this is left. So tan power nx, cot power nx, period is pi. If it is even and odd, anytime. Both the time is period is pi. Like if I say tan square x, what is the period of tan square x? Pi. Okay. So even is there, odd is there, the period is pi. And next point is modulus of function. Mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x, all trigonometry mods. Period is what? Pi. And now you came to know one function is there whose function period is t. We don't know what function is that. The function is t. Then 1 by f of x, square root of f of x, such function period will also be t. If this is, suppose sin x is there, sin x period is how much? 2 pi. So 1 by sin x period will be how much? 2 pi. Square root of sin x period is how much? 2 pi. Like that. Part of x. What is the fractional part of x? Period of fractional part of x? Fractional part of x period is how much? 1. So 1 by fractional part of x will be how much? Period is 1. Square root of fractional part of x period is how much? Right? So last point here. Any function you have whose function period is t. Then f of ax plus b form. When you have, then the function period will be t by mod a. Like you have coefficient of x is a, so you get mod a. Now example here. Sin 4x plus 5 is there. You want to find the period of this function. What is the period of sine? 2 pi. Period of sine is 2 pi. So I will write the period is equal to, I can write as period is equal to 2 pi. Right? 2 pi. But if I write 4x plus 5, then the period will be how much? 2 pi by 4. 2 table how many times? 2 times cancel. So answer will be how much? Pi by 2. So period is pi by 2. Understood? Huh? Abhi ये square root है, but inside. What is the period of this function? What is the period of sine? 2 pi. Square root of sine will be how much? 2 pi. Just I told na. If f of x is period is pi, square root of f of x is also pi. So sin x period is 2 pi. So square root of sine also 2 pi. But 2 pi is the period of this function. 2 pi is the period of the function. But even that in this form is there, ax plus b inside is there. What is x multiple here? 3. So 2 pi by 3 is the period. Period of that is 2 pi by 3. Understood? So this point is, if f of x is as a period t, then g of f of x is also periodic function with t. See what is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. Composite functions whenever you have, like if you have f of g of x, then you have to take period of gx. If you have g of f of x, then you have to write the period of f. So that's what he's saying. Simple. So whenever you have like f circle g or g circle f, we'll take the period inside one, right? So for example, if cos of 2 pi x is there, right? You just listen carefully. This one answer you have to give. Cos 2 pi x is there. What is f of x? What is g of x? See, function inside another function. It means f circle g happened or g circle f happened. So what is f of x? Tell me. F of x will be what? Okay, you are taking 2 pi is f of x. Then what will be g of x? Cos x. है ना? Right? 2 pi x, we should not take 2 pi x. We have to take 2 pi x, no? Now, if you see that, should I write g circle f or f circle g, this one? G circle f. See, because g is out, f is in. So what I write here? G of f of x. So what I get here? G of, so g is what here? Cos of. So I do one thing, sir. Cos ko bahar leke aata hu. Here I will write cos. Here I will write 2 pi x. Now which function it will be? F of g, right? Same, however it may be same, right? Right, okay, fine. So what I will write here, if I take like this, both will be same only. So f will be out, f circle g of x I am taking. So f means what? Cos of, okay, I will do one thing. F of g of x is what? 2 pi x. And then I will write what here? Cos of 2 pi x. What is saying here? F of x period is t samjho. Then g of f of x will be also with the same period. So what is here? G of x period we have to check. F of x, whatever is there. So inside one you have to get the period, right? F of x period is, if suppose f of x period is t, then g of f of x also t. Now here what I have to see down inside one, g of x. So what is the period of g of x? Here period of g of x is what? 2 pi, na? 2 pi, na? 2 pi into x is given. So it should be taken 2 pi. So answer will be how much? 2 pi. Understood? That's it. See, f of g, see, they are not given this one, suppose. Okay, they are not given. F of x given cos x. Okay, g of x given 2 pi x. So f circle g is 2 pi x. Then 2 pi you got period. Now g circle f will be how much? G circle f of x. 2 pi. Right? 2 pi. Getting it, na? Something is missing out. See here, fractional part of sine 2x is there. I want to find the period of this function. Okay, so how to find? Now listen here. Here two things are there, two functions are there. One function name is what? Fractional part of x. Another function is what? Sine 2x, na? Sine 2x, na? Who is inside? Sine 2x inside. A fractional part inside. Sine 2x is inside. It means it looks like whatever it may be, f circle g or g circle f. Inside one we have to see the period. What is the period of sin x? 2 pi, na? 2 pi, na? So period of sin 2x is how much? 2 pi. But you have multiplication into a is there? So divide by 2. So what is the period of the function? Pi. समझ में आया? हाँ वेट 1 सेकेंड वेट. देखो मैं अभी नेक्स्ट बोल रहा हूँ. साइन ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ x. Confirm. What are the functions we have? Sin x. Another one what you have? Fractional part of x. It means if this is sin x function, suppose it is sin x and this is fractional part of x, then fractional part is inside, na? Who is inside? Fractional part is inside. Sign it out. So here see fractional gx is inside. So f of fractional part of x is inside, right? है ना? So what is the period of this one? 1. So what is the period of this one? 1. Clear? Right, note. You want that, right?